Chickens clucking, roosters crowing, sheep are bleating, donkeys braying, alpacas humming, goats are chewing, pigs oinkin like a sayin. We're on the farm, so much to see, animals all around, living wild and free. From the farm to the meadow, a whole symphony. Come join the party, everybody sing with me. Chickens flapping,